Joe Burrow has quickly emerged as one of the faces of the NFL and established himself as one of the league's most elite quarterbacks. But he's been that guy ever since his high school days. He was a standout athlete at Athens High School in the Plains, Ohio. He led his team to 3 playoff appearances in the school's first 7 postseason wins. During his time there, he threw for over 11,000 passing yards, 150 touchdowns, and earned Ohio's Mr. Football and Gatorade Player of the Year in 2014. A 4-star recruit and top dual-threat quarterback, Burrow committed to Ohio State in 2014. His connection to Athens remained strong, with the school renaming its football stadium in his honor in 2019, and Burrow proudly showcased the local 740 area code during the 2020 NFL Draft. But when you look at his college career, Ohio State never comes to mind. It's what he did in his senior year that really showed how scary Joe Burrow's potential could be at the next level.